Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, what I'm trying to do is take out the seeds. This one, I don't think it has any more seeds. I was taking it out while I was waiting for my cellar to go on. So when they already dried out, here I found one. This thing, it's very hard to work with. Here it goes, right there. And all you do is squeeze it and it'll come right out. And look how it looks afterwards. Like a little string right there. I see in the bottom they still got like a little one. I think it dropped. You gotta take it all the way to the back. You see? And I'm gonna take all the bad ones. They're not gonna give any more. I'm gonna cut them down so I could take out the stress of the, how you call it, of the plant, and let the other ones grow. Okay, now let me see. I'm trying to cut this one. Can't seem to catch it. Okay, I got it. Okay. So I'll be cutting them first. Then I just check them with more tranquility. Here's one. I just go like this to it, and it'll fall right in there. Here is another one. Only has a little bit. These are fresh. They're still good. So I'm going to leave them alone. This one, I'm going to take it out. It's like already kind of ugly. So that means that it's not going to give no more, I think. Nah, it's not going to give no more. I don't think so. So let me cut it through here. Where is it? Okay, right there. I'm just going to put them aside because I don't want to make it too long. Like you get bored here. I ain't got nothing here with music. So I don't want to, bore you. I do want to show you one thing. They say that if you, how you call it? Oh, look at this. It's growing a baby here. Up here. Ain't that cute? I never seen that before. None of them has that. That's cool. And, excuse me. And it's crawling up my legs. So, I'm just going to take, here goes another group. Let me see. I'm scared. They sting. And that hurts. Yeah, this one. I'm going to take it out. I'm sorry. This one, I'm going to take it out. Because it's already done what it was supposed to do. So it's going out. And it's much easier for me to take care of them. Oh, this one's still, this was new. I caught the wrong one. But I'm going to leave it there. Either way, it's still going to grow. It was this one that I was supposed to cut. This one right here. I did the dumb mistake. Well, there's nothing to cry about. It'll grow more. Now I cut the right one. Okay, but that one I'll leave it there. It'll grow there and give his seeds. And for those who say that it doesn't grow, if it has this, they do grow. Right there, you see? They're all there. And right there. It has two. I'm going to cut one because I don't like it to be stressful. So I'm going to cut this one. Come on, cut. Okay, I'm using a baby's a baby type of cutter. I can't find mine. So, And as you can see, this one already looks ugly. I'm also going to cut her down. This is going to give more aeration because it's like 100 degrees. Yup, it is hot. Okay, gotcha. Right there. From these, oh, that's the one that had the baby. Right there. That it's not gonna die. I'm gonna plant it in my house. So that's not gonna die. And these are doing okay. This one don't have anything anymore. But I don't want to cut all of them because I don't want the chickens to start laying down here. Because as you can see, right there. Little baby ones coming out. Right there, a whole stack of them. So that's why I don't want it to go to that side. And if I were to cut more, if I could, I'm going to clean them here, and then I'm just going to leave it there in that side right there. Because I want it to spread, you know. So I'll be putting this right back, you know. And if I don't do it today, I will do it tomorrow. But for now, let me see this one. They all stuck in here. Ouch. You need gloves for this, I tell you the truth. If you're going to do something like this, do it with gloves. I should be used to it, but I'm not. But, how you call it? It does give, like you can see down there, it has, you know, let me see if I can move some of this. Right there. It had two of them. As you can see, it's cut there and cut here. So it had two of them. It's still living. You know, sometimes they do die off. But you leave them alone and they start growing little leaves on the side. And they come right back. You know, so that's why I don't cut them off. My cousin, she has a whole bunch of these. And she don't take them out either. So, what's going on? Can't get it. Oh, I stepped on something. And she don't cut them either. You know, she just cleans them out like I'm doing right now. So that would give more aeration. That would give the water will go straight to the ground, which will help them, you know, and things like that. So, you know, all this is going to blow, you know, and that's why I'm trying to get them before they blow away. Because that's how I got all those, the ones I had over there, and the ones I got behind in the kitchen window. It is all blown from my cousin's house. She lives up this way, and when it blows over here, and I get them down here. So, you know, and one day she calls me, she told me, Nettie, I know you're mad. I said, why am I mad? No, because all those seeds went to your side of the land, and I know you must be real pissed off. I said, I told her, yeah, I'm so pissed off, I'm laughing so good. Thanks. Because she knows that I love, estoy haciendo video. Sí, sí. Sorry about that. It's my cousin, the one I was telling you about, that all her corianders came over here. So I'm propagating it here because I had some back there. I have some behind the window, but my disability, right there, there's my chair, doesn't let me move to that side. So what I have to do is grow them here, and I got a box over there in the front of the house that is outside the, how you call it, the balcony garden, but it's in front of it, which I still could reach it. So I got that closed up so the chickens cannot go in there and mess it all up. So, how you call it? So basically, this is what I'm doing. It has a lot of babies coming out through there. I don't know if you could see them. They're very small. But on the other side, hold on a minute. And this side, I have to put more corianders because they don't have there's not enough seeds on this side, as you can see, and they just brand new. So I will take some and bring it over here because I do have little baby ones coming out. And the front of my, how you call it, my balcony that I spread a lot of seeds, they're starting to grow also. Also, I did a video on, how you call it, that I had 3 of these. How you call it? Yeah, I had 2, I said. It was, no, I had 2, was it that I said? Anyway, I said I had 2, 3. The big mama, which now will be her, right there. And these 2. What I didn't realize, that if you look right here, hold on, right there, there's another one. I thought one was coming out this way because, as you can see, it feels a little lumpy there. So most likely another one is going to come out of there. So I have, this was from the plant that Maria threw a sink on top of it, and we took like a year to try to get it out. And we finally did. We finally got it out. There was one laying like this way on the floor, growing straight down like that. That one died. But there was a newer baby one that was like, I think as big as this, or a little smaller, I don't know. But it was small. And we took her in, and we treated her. We took care of her. It was the one that was here, that then it flew, and it flew into this corner. I have a video on it. And I put it, I'll show you when I go back home, where I put it. And she died. So she died, but she's giving out babies. She's still giving out babies. I got these 3, 4, and 2 over there. Yeah, she gave two babies over there. So it's not bad. And 1 year, and what? We took out, I think it was last year, and she had 2 babies coming out. She was really trying to survive. Here you see some corianders, but this side is a little dryish. Because they got more things, and these plants. I'm gonna cut it so they could fall more water here. But that won't be today because I got a mess in my room. And we were painting yesterday, and well, we got to fix everything up. I didn't have the chance today because I had to wash clothes and stuff. But I'm going to see if I could either do it tonight or tomorrow morning. And then I have more time for the garden here. I'm planning to paint it. I'm planning to do... I might as well leave it like this. The chickens are not getting inside here. So, they don't bother here. They don't like this hard dirt. They like the compost one, the one I make in my balcony. That's the one she likes. So I'm going to stay here for a while, and then we'll talk. Okay, so bye-bye.